Disabling two-factor authentication on Apple TV Plus can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn it off. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple TV. This is where you can manage your account and security settings. Step 2. Go to Users and Accounts. In the Settings menu, select Users and Accounts. This section contains options related to your Apple ID and account settings. Step 3. Select your account. Choose your account from the list of users. This will allow you to access the specific settings for your Apple ID. Step 4. Manage Apple ID. Look for the option that says Manage Apple ID or Apple ID. You may need to enter your password to access your account settings. Step 5. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to disable it. Keep in mind that you may need to answer security questions or verify your identity. After completing these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Apple TV Plus. Always ensure your account is secure and consider the implications of turning off this feature.